Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the best fix on how you can fix your Google Chrome web browser is managed by your organization. So it's very easy to fix. First up, you need to open up Google Chrome, and right over here what you need to do is just go to policies, and right over here you'll see this option, but you need to just press on reload policies, and it's just gonna reload all the policies that you have. If it's not, it means that no policies are running and no policies are set. So what you can do is just simply for reloading policy, just simply search up Chrome policy, and once you do that, just reload policies. The first step is done. Now you'll see all the policies. After that, you need to go to this website and you'll see these registry keys that you need to delete to remove the policies and remove the organization option. What you need to do is just simply download Chrome policy remover. It's from Stefan, and you can just download it for your PC, and what this is going to do is just going to delete policies, and it's just simply going to remove the organization option. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.